Knock on wood, the John Deere's making a pretty nice bale. Well, I'm out here in this half of the east field, and we got everything raked and tedded, and I've got a kicker wagon on here. This is my John Deere 348 baler with number 42 pan kicker. It's kind of dirty. I need to clean the whole thing up. It's been sitting in the barn. Oh, let's see, the 5055D John Deere, and we're gonna got everything greased up. I got to put a little oil on the chains once I run them. That's what that thing up there is, and then I'll be ready to go. I don't think it's going to take too long, and I don't think there's going to be too much hay. We're still in drought. We had some rain, but 3 windrows raked together is what we got here for every windrow you see. So not exactly super duper yield here on the farm. So let me get on the tractor and get the PTO going, and then we'll see if we can bale a little bit of hay. Knock on wood, the John Deere's making a pretty nice bale, and need to increase my throw a little bit, and that's some fine looking hay, but I'd like to get it piled on up against the back there a little bit, but I like to stop early on just to kind of check, make sure my tension's right where I want it. So that one wagon is this whole half of the field. And brought out 2 wagons. I thought when I started, man, maybe I might need 3. But it's really telling. You can't realize the effect of this drought until you cut hay. And you know, when I cut it, I said, you know, from the side, if you're looking down, like right over there, from the side, it looks, wow, that's a lot of hay. The rain must have really helped. We got like 4 inches of rain, but too little, too late. And so one wagon, I got a stray bale up there and over there, and I got one back over my shoulder. But now I can't give away this hay at low prices, so I don't know how I'm going to price it, but you know, I mean, I'm selling hay. It doesn't, you know, I don't have cattle to starve, and I don't know what some of these people are going to do. This is going to be a serious situation. It's beautiful hay. I mean, this hay is just absolutely beautiful. If anything, I should have got it up yesterday. It's gotten a little lighter color on the green. Moisture content was anywhere from 9 to really 12, 11, 12%. Every now and then I'd see it spike to 14, but that's some really nice hay. It's just not a lot of it. All right, well, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put this, the rest of this field down. I'll probably do that here this afternoon once I get this wagon. We got to get this wagon in the barn because it's not calling for any rain, but you know how it is when you make hay. And I want to get, we want to protect the investment. So hopefully somebody will come and buy this stuff right away, and I'll clear a wagon and, you know, be ready for some more squares. We'll talk to you later.